This is the moment I waited for. My heart beating, soon bells will be ringing, 'cause this is the moment how sweet our Lord. I will love you longer than forever. Promise me that you will leave me never. But now that we are one, clouds won't hide the sun, 'cause blue skies with all my
I'd like to thank Lucy. She's named after Auntie Lucy, Miss Lucy Fumano. This is Ben's daughter. Thank you, darling.